Well, it was quite a bit cooler today and cloudier as well, and not just for the coast and the valleys, but check out the deserts. We've been seeing quite a bit of cloud cover there. Palomar Mountain, the clouds have covered up our camera. Downtown looking quite lovely, though, as we look from Pioe's at the Coronado Ferry Landing. And here is our incoming storm. This storm is going to be beneficial for all of California. It's going to be sliding south, bringing rain and wind as it comes, and very high elevation snow. Not for us here locally. We will not see any snow with this system. It's just not going to be cold enough. We've seen a few sprinkles here or there today, but generally our pinpoint Doppler live is fairly quiet. Temperatures have been cooler. We're in the 60s almost everywhere. 69 in downtown and National City, 66 in Escondido, 40s and 50s right now in the mountains, and 70s in the deserts. Temperatures anywhere from 2 to 16 degrees cooler than 24 hours ago. It's also been pretty windy. In fact, we've seen some gusts over 30 miles per hour at the airport. Carlsbad right now gusting to 23, 20 in Oceanside, near 40 in Harrison Park. We've seen a few gusts in the mountains that have exceeded 40 miles per hour, and it is going to be even windier tomorrow. The coast and the valleys, the strongest winds will arrive in the morning into the early afternoon, and in the mountains and the deserts, the strongest winds will be later in the afternoon into the evening as the cold front swings through. But the best chance for rain is going to be late tomorrow morning into the afternoon. Temperatures will be cooler tomorrow. We're going to be in the 60s pretty much everywhere. For the inland neighborhoods, your hour by hour, very similar to our coastal communities. Temperatures, again, also staying in the 60s. So mid-60s almost for every coast and valley area. Escondido getting close to 70 degrees. Meanwhile, Fallbrook at 65. Chilly in the mountains, low to mid-50s. Factor in the wind. Yeah, you're going to want to pull out the jackets. Temperature-wise, really nice in the deserts in the 70s. Temperatures are going to be trending anywhere from 5 to 20 degrees cooler than average. So there's our cold front that's going to be swinging through. That's what's going to bring those gustier winds. Now, there could be some drizzle at any point tonight into tomorrow morning, but you can see there's not a lot of activity. It's very isolated in nature until 7:30 in the morning. Most of it for us will be in the late morning into the afternoon. This is at 1 o'clock, and when this cold front swings through, we will see periods of heavy rain coming through. This is at 2:30 tomorrow afternoon. The rain more widespread, but that leading band is where the heaviest rain is going to be coming through, and then we kind of dry out pretty quickly after that. There is a small chance for some drizzle, a stray light shower to linger into Tuesday night, even into early Wednesday morning, but for the most part, Wednesday is going to be dry. Now let's talk about the wind, the coast and the valleys. This is 10:30 in the morning. As that cold front is approaching, we're going to see peak winds could exceed over 30 miles per hour, but widespread gusts over 20. And then as we transition into the afternoon, the wind will push off into the mountains and the deserts, and that's where we could see a few gusts over maybe 50 miles per hour, but most in that 25 to 45 mile per hour range. Highest rainfall totals are expected in the North County. We're going to average about 1/4 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch, locally up to an inch. That's going to be from the coast to the mountains. Not a lot of rain in the deserts. Then we're drying out and warming up. We're going to see 70s return by Thursday for our coastal areas. Inland neighborhoods in the 70s as early as Wednesday, and then 80s by Saturday, which is more typical for this time of the year. This storm is very early in the season, and we may see another chance of showers by early next week. For the mountains, temperatures warming quickly into the 60s by Thursday and 70s by Saturday, but rain and cold wind tomorrow, and the deserts also warming up in the days ahead.